The Surgical Technology program at Gaston College equips you with the skills needed to succeed in a critical healthcare role through hands-on learning and real-world experience in state-of-the-art labs that resemble actual operating rooms. A degree in surgical technology offers students a fast-paced, very rewarding career. A student can go into general surgery, orthopedics, neurosurgery, plastic surgery. The kind of student that does well in surgical technology has critical thinking skills, one that likes to work with their hands, one that likes that fast-paced environment. The job demand for surgical technologists is really robust right now. The aging population has also driven the need for surgical technologists. The average salary for an entry-level surgical technologist would be $21 to $25 per hour. An advanced surgical technologist with experience would be anywhere from $50,000 per year to $70,000 per year. We have a new state-of-the-art lab where students can practice their skills. The instructors have over 20 years of teaching experience, 30 years as a surgical tech. Own your momentum and prepare for a successful career when you earn your degree in surgical technology at Gaston College.